Welcome, today I'll show you how to change icon shape into a Samsung Galaxy S23. First of all, open your Play Store and find here X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Now need close ads because it's free application and don't allow. So close ads one more time. Now from the list of our applications choose something what you want to change, maybe YouTube. Now from the list of our icon choose something style new, maybe here, maybe this one. Oh, okay, it will be nice. So choose for example your icon and tap OK button in the top right corner for saving. Sorry for this, it's need close ads maybe a few times because it's free application, so tap add. We got success message, so go to our home screen and find here our new YouTube icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.